Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shamo here and welcome back to more RC video reviews. Previously I have posted the ESKY 150X, the Airwolf or mini Airwolf RC helicopter, which is sitting right here, and honestly speaking it is still my personal favorite mini RC helicopter when it comes to mini RC helicopters to fly indoors. This is still my personal favorite and it flies super duper awesome. Those were a lot of super duper awesome words. That was a big compliment, but this helicopter does deserve that compliment. Now, if you don't like the Airwolf helicopter shape, you just want to go for a traditional helicopter shape and you want something that you can learn to fly with, build your orientation, which is easier to fly, you can crash it over and over and over and over again and it will keep flying. Well, you're looking at it. It's sitting right here. This is the ESKY 150 V2 helicopter, which basically is the same thing as the mini Airwolf right here, but in a traditional helicopter shape right here. It's also running a CC3D in here. It is very durable, just like the 150 XP, the Airwolf, mini Airwolf. It is very stable, just like the F150 XP Airwolf, mini Airwolf. It is flybarless. You can set the dual rates, and of course it has a tiny LED on its tail, just like the mini Airwolf 150 XP here. So, to say that if you want to learn to fly RC helicopters, I will highly recommend you go for something like this, because when it comes to learn to fly helicopters, RC helicopters, it can become a really expensive hobby. You will crash so often, you have to repair so often, and to repair you have to buy parts so often, and for that you need to have very deep pockets to afford RC helicopters. So to safely learn to fly RC helicopters, number one, don't get hurt, don't get anybody else hurt, don't get your pocket hurt. The safest way and easiest and cheapest way to learn to fly RC helicopters is this: to buy these kind of little RC helicopters. They are extra durable, they don't break upon crashes, and they are very stable, very easy to fly. They give you plenty of time to build your orientation, which is one of the most important things when it comes to flying RC helicopters or learning to fly RC helicopters. Enough said, let's take this 150 V2 with CC3D flybarless mini RC helicopter out. This is an ESKY helicopter, and charge the battery and give it a flight right away. Alright, let me show you how this helicopter comes inside the box and what comes inside the box, okay? Check it out. What a sweet little pink helicopter. Well, it's the color is really suited for girls. Alright, anyway, so we have a mini little helicopter, then we have a little battery here, which is a 3.7 volt 150 milliamp, and we have a little USB dongle to charge the battery. Okay, we have a spare propellers, and under the box you will find a mini new ESKY 2.4 GSG radio control, which is the same radio control that came with the mini ESKY 150X Airwolf helicopter. Alright, the batteries are fully charged, the helicopter is bound to the radio control. Let's take it off right here in my small confined man cave and see how it flies. Alright, so how do you unlock? Yes, by putting the stick rudder to the right, and we have liftoff. Alright, let me see if I need to set the trims or not. Bit of trimming, yep, and left trims a bit, back trim a bit. Looks absolutely hands-free to me. Check it out. All you need to do is control the throttle. Alright, look, I can actually fly it in my room. It's that stable and easy to fly. Wow, I mean, you got to give it to ESKY for making these little extremely stable helicopters. This one seems to have better yaw authority as well compared to the Airwolf, the mini Airwolf version that I had. This one has better yaw authority. Man, this is absolutely stable and super duper easy to fly mini helicopter. Alright, let's go out in other rooms, and you got to excuse the mess that kids make. I'll put it in outdoor mode so it will fly a little faster and easier for me to control. Alright, yes, now we have enough space to pick up some speed. Check it out! I can get myself dizzy again. Yes, really getting dizzy now. Almost going to fall. Back to indoor mode, which is a stable mode. Hey, it has a green LED on the left side of the helicopter, which is pretty visible, very, very visible. And the green and red can easily distinguish the nose from the back, and you can even fly it at night. And there's another blue LED blinking at the right side in the nose. Sweet, man. I mean, if you're looking for a small helicopter that you can fly indoors and outdoors, and you can crash whenever you want and learn to fly without worries, well, this is the helicopter you're looking for. This is the helicopter that will teach you to fly RC helicopters and polish your skills. Let me check my landing skills. Well, land on this table. Super duper easy. Alright, now let's do a little challenge. Little challenge flight, and I'll try to see how good are my controls and how stable this helicopter is. So first thing we'll do is we'll go through that hoop right there. Alright, and no, well, don't worry, you can crash it without worries. I went through it once, and I want to go once again. One moment, let me stabilize it. And I went through again. Now, can I bring it nose in? Now that is the question of controls. Yes, I brought it nose in, though I was going to crash it. I mean, I hit the skids to the hoop, but I did it. Oh, there we go, we crashed again. Whenever you crash, whenever you hit something, remember to put the throttle down to 0 immediately. Alright, you don't even have to go and pick it up, you know. Just increase the throttle a bit and it will get up back on its skids, and you can take off again. Alright, let's go under the table, shall we? Can I do it? I think I can do it. There's a sofa on the left, there's a table, a little space, and I did it. I think I'm running out of battery. Full throttle. Oh, I just miraculously came through the table again. We're running out of battery. I have full throttle and helicopter is still not getting up. So I'll simply land. Okay, hey, that was a lot of fun flying this helicopter. And obviously you have seen this is extremely stable and super easy to fly helicopter, and not to mention extremely durable too. What disappoints me on this one is the flight time, the flight endurance. That was pretty short, ESKY. That was pretty short flight on a single charge. That means you have to have a lot of batteries if you really want to have fun with this helicopter, and you need to make sure you have charged all the batteries and you can have fun. So apart from this flight endurance, the short flight times, everything else is absolutely charming about this helicopter. Enjoy, and let me charge the battery and get back to some more flying. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, Also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.